Hey guys, my name is Johan and welcome to another video of Life Group. Today we're going to learn about how to explain the compensation plan from silver to gold. And before we get into it, we're going to do it by hand. And I want to let you know 3 reasons why we got to do it by hand, okay? The first reason is because if you do it by hand, you actually get to understand the compensation plan much better. It gives you a step-by-step process on how your brain is going to explain the compensation plan to other people. It also gives you a chance on understanding the compensation plan step by step so you don't get confused, alright? So that's the first reason. The second reason is because the customer will understand much better. When you teach anyone how to do something, it's better to teach them how to do it with experience rather than giving them an instruction manual. Okay, so granted, some people are better if they read the instruction manual and then you teach them, but you know, if nothing's better than practical experience. The final reason is because you'll get much better engagement from the customer. So you actually, you know, when you explain something to the customer, you don't want them to look at the phone and you want them to clarify certain things when they don't understand something. So when you do it by hand, it gives a chance for your customer to ask questions. Alright? So are you ready to learn how to explain the compensation plan from silver to gold? Alright, let's get to it. Okay guys, so let's begin our explanation on how to explain the compensation plan from silver to gold. Now here I have, I'm using an A3 piece of paper, but you should use an A4 piece of paper. And what you should do is you should have 3 different color pens. It doesn't matter what color they are, so you just get 3 different colors of pens, okay? So in our compensation plan, the first meaningful rank is actually silver, okay? So I'm just gonna write here, silver. And in order to become a silver, you need a PV of 6255, okay? Now, PV actually stands for point value. Okay, so point value is basically the internal currency of the company. This makes sure that wherever you do your Ruby Cell business, you get paid the exact same amount of commission, whether you sell products in US or Bangkok or Japan. Okay, so now in our company, we have something called a premium set. And this premium set in Malaysia at the moment is RM6020. This is subject to change from time to time. At the moment, it's 9,720 ringgit. Okay, and this will give you a PV of 6,255. Okay, so basically, if you buy a premium set, you get your 10-month worth of stock, and you will get a PV of 6255. Okay, now, and once you get a PV of 6255, you will become a silver member. Now, what is the benefit of becoming a silver member? The first benefit is repurchase incentive, which is 15%. Okay. So let's say, for example, you buy your second premium set. So when you buy your second premium set, you will pay 9,720 ringgit. This will get you a PV of 6,255. So 15% of this is roughly equivalent to 900, right? So this is how much money you will get as a cash rebate if you were to buy your second premium set. So each product in the company has different PV. So if you buy a cleanser, then there will be a PV associated with it, and you will get 15% cash rebate when you buy all these things, okay, as a silver. So this is the first benefit. The second benefit is called direct incentive, which is also 15%. Okay, so let's say you're a silver and you brought a friend who also bought a silver set. Okay, so if this happens, then your friend will pay 9,720 ringgit, right? And this will equal to a PV of 6,255. And you will get 15% of this figure, which is 900. Okay, so every time you sell a silver set, you will get 900 ringgit. Okay, so obviously, if you sell 5, then 900 times 5 equals 4,500 ringgit. Okay, so this is now why did I say 5? Actually, in order to become the next rank, which is a gold, okay, you need to have 12,510 PV, 12,510 PV, and 6255 PV. Okay, and this is equivalent to 2 silver, 2 silver, and 1 silver. See, so 2, 4, 5. So if you do 5, then you become a gold rank, which is the next rank in our Aphrozone compensation plan. Okay, now in our company, we actually have 2 terms. So term 1 is day 1 to day 15 of every month, and term 2 is day 16 to the last day of every month. Okay, so if you manage to do this in more than 1 term, then you get paid 4,500 ringgit. But if you do it within 1 term, then instead of 900 ringgit, you get paid 20% of the PV, which is equal to 1,250 ringgit times 5 equals 6,255 ringgit. All right. So 1,251, 6,255. So you see that, you know, depending on how fast you do it, you'll either make 4,500 ringgit or 6,255 ringgit, however fast you do it. So there's no time limit as to how fast you need to become a gold, but if you do it fast, then you make a bit more money. Okay. Now, as I said, silver, you have 2 benefits. Gold have 5 benefits. So the first benefit is repurchase incentive, which is now 20% as a gold. Second one is direct incentive, which is 20% now. And then you have something called indirect incentive, which is 10%. And then you have gold fostering incentive, which is 5%. And then you have gold bonus, which is at the moment RM1500. Okay, so let's say that you're a gold. That means your organization will look something like this. Okay, so these people will be a silver, right? Now, we know what repurchase is and we know what direct is. It's just that the percentage is different. But now let's talk about what's indirect. Indirect is a commission you make when a friend you brought brings another friend, like this. Okay, so for example, let's say this person brought this person. That means this person will make the direct incentive, right? 15%. If a friend you brought brings another friend, you make something called indirect incentive. Okay, so indirect incentive is 10%. So 6,255 times 10% is roughly equivalent to 600. Okay, so every time a friend brings another friend, you make 600 ringgit. And when a friend brings another friend, you make another 600 ringgit. And when a friend brings another friend, you make 600 ringgit. Okay, so as long as there is no gold in between, you will keep making the 600 until there is a gold. Okay, but as long as there is no gold, you'll keep making the 600. Okay, now the next one is called gold fostering. Now, it can be a situation whereby this gold, okay, this person here becomes a gold. Okay, so what that means is this person has already become a gold, right? Now, when a person directly under you is a gold and there is a transaction, okay, then this person will get the direct and this person will get the indirect, right? That means you will get something called a gold fostering incentive of 5%. So 6255 times 5% is roughly equivalent to 300. Okay, so every time there's a transaction like this, you get 300. When there's another transaction like this, you get 300. Okay, this person will get 600. Okay, so you basically get 5% of total transaction under here. Whatever these people buy, you get 5%. Okay, now what can also happen is that this person here can also become a gold, right? So that means when there is a transaction like this, then this person gets the direct, this person gets the indirect, this person will get the gold fostering, and you don't get any benefit anymore. So you're probably wondering, why would I want my partners to become gold? Well, actually, if you have 4 gold and 5 gold, then you become emerald. And as an emerald, you start to qualify for all the bonuses in the company. That is when you actually make the most amount of money, and that is when you will really be making the kind of money that no other people will be able to make for a while in a full-time job at least. Okay, so it's very worth it to become an emerald, and you basically get override. There's a whole bunch of benefits from becoming an emerald. Okay, you can watch the next video for the benefits for an emerald. Okay, so the final bonus is actually gold bonus. Now, gold bonus is a bonus. So what that means is you need to hit a certain requirement and then you get paid this extra amount of 1,500 ringgit. So what is that bonus amount? You basically need to do 12510 PV, 12510 PV, and 12510 PV. Okay, so when you do 12510 PV, 12510 PV, 12510 PV, then you get an extra 1,500 ringgit. This is equivalent to 2 silver, 2 silver, 2 silver. Okay, and so this is how you qualify to get an extra 1,500 ringgit for you to be able to. So every month, this is paid monthly. Let's say you have 2 silver here, 2 silver here, and 2 silver here, then you get to make this money. Now, you don't have to have 2 silver. People can buy cleanser here, BB cream there, such that it makes up 12,510 PV. You can also get this gold bonus like that. Okay, so this is pretty much the theory of silver to gold. I want to give you an example on how to make 6,300 ringgit in 2 months. Okay, so so the first month you make 6. So basically, let's say in the first month, okay, you become gold. Okay, so you're a silver, and you directly recommend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's say you did it in 1 term. In 1 term, you directly recommend 5 silver. Okay, that means because you did it in 1 term, you get RM1250. Okay, because you did it in 1 term. Okay, 1250 times 1251, times 5 equals RM6255. Okay, so this is how you make 6,000 ringgit on the first month, by finding 5 people to buy the silver set. Okay, then on the second month, you're now a gold, right? So in order to make 6,300 from here, what you do is you do 2 sales. So this is a direct, which means you make RM125 around 1251, okay, per transaction, times 2 because you did 2 sale, which equals 2,502, okay. And then you have, let's say your friend here did 2 sale like this and 2 sale like this. That means for these ones, because your friend brought another 2 friends and your friend brought 2 friends, you make what's called indirect, right? Which is RM600 ringgit times 1, 2, 3, 4, which equals 2,400 ringgit, right? And because you did your 2, 2, 2, you also get what's called gold bonus, okay, which is 1,500 ringgit. So this roughly equals to RM6,300 ringgit. Okay, and that is basically how to earn 6,000 ringgit on the bet and another 6,300 ringgit every consecutive months. And in order to make the 6,300 ringgit, you just need to sell 2 and help your 2 friends sell 2 each. Okay, now where do we go from here for you to be able to make 10,000 ringgit, 15,000 ringgit, and 50,000 ringgit? You can watch my other videos, but that's basically it, guys. In order for you to explain a person the compensation plan from silver to gold. Thank you so much for watching that video. Remember, this video was powered by Great Life Group, the leading Ruby Cell group in the world. If you want to find out more about how to be successful in your business, make sure you click on any of the videos that's appearing around me. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the link below, the like button, and the notification bell to be updated on all the fantastic videos coming from Great Life Group. Till then, see you. Goodbye. Cut.